Welcome back to Motor Insight. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Gas MC450F, a bike that's continuing to carve its own identity in the fiercely competitive 450 motocross class. Design and build. At a glance, the 2025 MC450F carries forward the clean, red styling that defines the Gas brand. The bodywork stays sleek and ergonomic, offering excellent contact points for riders in aggressive or defensive body positions. This year, Gas keeps the composite subframe and chromium molybdenum steel frame, known for delivering a balanced mix of flex and rigidity. Paired with the forged triple clamps, the front end offers confident steering and precise feedback in both tight corners and high-speed straights. Engine and performance. Underneath the plastics is a 449.9 cubic centimeters SOHC engine, light, fast revving, and distinctly tuned. Unlike its KTM and Husqvarna cousins, the MC450F sticks with a more stripped-back engine map, keeping things simple and intuitive for the rider. Throttle response is crisp and immediate, but with a slightly mellower bottom-end punch compared to its siblings. This makes the bike more forgiving, especially on hard-pack or slick terrain, while still delivering serious power when you open it up. Suspension and handling. The MC450F continues to use WP-Zact suspension front and rear. Up front, the AER48 air forks offer tool-free adjustability and impressive bottoming resistance. In the back, the WP shock handles big hits and whoops with confidence, maintaining rear-wheel traction in a variety of conditions. The suspension settings on the Gas tend to be a bit softer out of the box, catering more toward a wider range of skill levels. Brakes and controls. Braking is handled by Bractec components, offering strong, consistent stopping power without being too touchy. While some riders might still prefer the feel of Brembos, the Bractecs get the job done reliably, even under intense use. The hydraulic clutch from Bractec also performs well, maintaining smooth engagement lap after lap. Ergonomics remain neutral and comfortable, nothing fancy, but everything feels exactly where it should be. Electronics and features. The MC450F continues its minimalist approach by skipping complex electronics. No traction control, no launch control, no map switches. For riders who prefer to focus on throttle, clutch, and body position, this no-nonsense setup can be refreshing. However, for those who like to tweak settings or ride in changing conditions, the lack of adjustability might be a downside. Final thoughts. The 2025 Gas MC450F might not have all the high-end components or flashy features, but it nails the fundamentals: power, handling, and confidence on the track. If you want a race-ready machine that's a little more approachable and a lot of fun, the MC450F is definitely worth a look. Thanks for watching Motor Insight. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more dirt bike content.